We got the music again. Oh. What? No way. Dude, he stole something, and it's like they had it on a leash, or they had it on like a wire or something, and they just caught this man. I feel like I would be like so good as a criminal after watching all of these people like totally screw up, man. Like you'd think, if I was to like conduct a robbery or something like that, there would be way more planning involved in this. I would go to this restaurant like 4, 5, 6 times on like different random occasions for breakfast. Then a week and a half later, it's like we go for like late night drinks, you know? It's like then like 3 days after that, it's dessert. And just like I'm going in disguises, like I plan out everything. I would know if what I'm trying to steal is attached to something, man. That's just me. This guy, not so much, and he did get his revenge. So there you go.
Amateur.
Oh.
Yo, you're kidding me. No way. Yeah, for real. Wow. He shouldn't be kicking the person's car. Like, I think that's actually illegal. Oh. But, I mean, come on. Like, I was actually kind of shocked when I saw the person sweeping that up. Like, just a random human being sweeping that up. Why are you doing that to? Like, I know that you're trying to be helpful and maybe that's your job or anything, but, like, screw this person, you know? Like, literally, like, they need to get what's coming to them. Get out of your car, walk 10 feet to the nearest garbage can, and dump it in there. Imagine actually having the audacity to slowly throw out of your vehicle as some poor individual is like having to stand there and like wait on you. Like, who are you, dude? Like, literally, like, who are you? Where do you think you are in life? Because I promise you, you ain't that. Oh, little kitty. Oh no. It's gonna get you. It got you, dude. Do not mess with the kitty. He lets you have one. That cat let you have the first one, and then you went after it again, man. You pushed your luck a little bit too far, and that cat said, F this, I'm about to go like animalistic, like instinctual on your ass, and just like freaking like animal kingdom the crap out of it, dude. Like that is fully like those cat reflex instincts, you know? You always see your kitties, and they're like you look at this thing, and you're like, who, like how are you a cat? And then you see them do shit, and you're like, wow, you descended from the saber-toothed tiger, man. Like, you have that in you. And the bird got it, man. Like, I'm sorry, bird. I wish that you were still living right now, but don't mess with the kitty, dude.
Now fly away, little bird.
Alright, we're on a motorcycle. Oh, alright, so definitely cutting people off for sure. He must be swearing a crap load right now. Oh? Did he just hit his car? Dude, I think he might have just hit his car. All right, listen. I don't know if he got instant revenge or not, but my big thing right here, like capital letters, dangerous. Dangerous on both people. Like, first off, the whole like swerving in the lanes thing, not even noticing that there's a biker, and I get it, it's like a biker, it's hard to see in your mirrors and stuff, but still, like, you have to be paying way fucking attention than that. Second off, if you are the person on the bike, I get that you're pissed off. I get that you want to like cuss this person out and stuff like that. But then to swerve into their lane and like smack their freaking mirror, think about how easy that is for you to like get hit and then like roll under their tire or something. Like, literally dangerous. Do not do. Yeah, literally, dude. Literally, like, get that person. And then they're like, oh, like, what? Like, screw you, man. Also, like, his first throw out of the car of that thing, he literally got it on his vehicle anyways. You know, like, this is just dumb. Like, this is just, like, people being dumb. That's what we need to call this video. People being dumb. We had the dumb person trying to like steal something, not even realizing. We had this dumb person like spilling shit on their car. Like, we had the other dumb person almost kill a person, like driving like a maniac. This is just people being dumb. Oh my, did he hit him? I thought he might have touched, but maybe not. Yeah. Reckless driving, dangerous driving. Okay, now we're going to the lane, and then... Oh, nice, dude. Nice. Yeah. Actually, what is it, guys? Like, what do they get for something like that? Because, like, it's not. What's the thing? You know, what is the illegal act? Is it reckless driving, like dangerous driving? Somebody comment down below. I don't know exactly what it is. Because, like, I know that if they see you doing something like that, they're going to give you a ticket. But what is the ticket actually for? Because you're not speeding. You're not running a red light. You're not doing anything like that. But I want to know what is it? Because you're definitely doing something bad. But I'm trying to think right now. What exactly is it? Chris, do you know what that is?
Road rage. Could be road rage.
Just like a full road rage thing? Like, can you get a ticket for road rage or something? All right, well, somebody let us know in the comments. We're not sure. Never celebrate too early. What are we doing, boys? Boys, what are we doing? What the hell? Oh my God, this is people being dumb again. Literally people being so dumb. Guys, why, like, that's, okay, no. You should be celebrating too early because they celebrated way too late here. They would have had to score their goal, because that's what they're doing. They would have had to score their goal and then come here and just take so long in coming here that the other team had time to take the ball, put it in the middle, everybody gets set, and then the ref blow his whistle. Like, that's how long these guys took. If you're gonna celebrate after you score, it's gotta be immediate. It's like freaking one of these, like the team's getting together, you're sliding across the pitch, you're pulling a Ronaldo, a Messi, whatever. This, I don't know what the this was, but like we gotta work on our synchronization and our timing here, boys, because you're gonna get scored on. You keep doing stuff like this.
Look how much food you guys got.
You ordered so much and you're gonna leave without paying?
What?
Without paying?
You still ordered it. They still cooked your food.
What?
You still left without paying.
Pay them and leave.
That really makes sense why you guys look like that. Like, that's very rude.
Okay, pay them and leave.
What?
Trash.
No, we're not trash.
More trash. Pay them and leave.
The fact that you're video recording and like just go and
Bye.
They're not even commenting on what it is that they're doing. They're like, how can you call us trash? And yet they're not even denying that they didn't, that they were trying to steal from them. This one lady was saying, oh, but look at how much is left. Look at how much is left. Does not matter. You can't just be like, oh, think about the same logic. I order a couch. The couch comes to my home. I have them put the couch where it is. And then I say, I'm not gonna pay you because I haven't been sitting on the couch yet. Like, this does not equal the same, you know what I mean? Like, this is not logic. They still made your goddamn food. It's your decision whether or not you want to eat it or not, but you gotta pay them for making it. You gotta pay them for being there. Like, just a bunch of stupidity. People being dumb. That's what this video should be called. What? okay, literally, this is just exclamation point on the people being dumb thing. Like, what is this? Prankster got pranked. This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen in my life. How bad do you have to be at pranking? I feel for this guy, man. He wants so badly to prank properly, but he's just zero skills. You know, like no pranking ability whatsoever at all. Just like, ugh. Just like, oh no. Wow, you messed up again, man. Jeez. Alright, we got our drink, we got our beverages. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Yeah, y'all shouldn't have walked out. Pay your bill. Yeah, y'all left them keys.
Yeah.
Y'all shouldn't have walked out.
Literally, dude, literally. Once again, guys, people being dumb. And I'm gonna say it one more time, I'm never actually gonna do it, but if I was to turn to the life of crime, then this is just stuff that you gotta be better at, you know? If you are gonna dine and dash, you'd think that people would be a little bit more freaking aware, unless I guess they just pounded back the margaritas, because it looks like that's this type of place right now. But you'd think that they'd be a little bit more aware than to leave their keys there. If you're gonna dine and dash, take all your crap and get the hell out of there, which I do not condone and I do not think that anybody should do. You should be paying your bill, you should be tipping, and they got the karma for doing what it is that they did, but still, just people being dumb.
My name's Andrew Fenlon.
Andrew, and why are you here, Andrew?
I'm here auditioning for American Idol. Should be fairly obvious at this point.
Okay.
Also like waiting around.
I think you know why I was asking the question. What brought you here to audition?
What brought me here to audition? I don't think it's that interesting of a question, actually, but
Andrew,
I think...
Andrew,
Yes.
I'm going to just warn you now. If you want to
Okay.
carry on being a smartass, you can leave the room.
Oh, I'm not being a smart
So
ass.
either answer the questions
Okay.
or leave. Thank you. Yes or no?
Andrew, no. I'm sorry.
Not only did that not sound very good, but the attitude as well. I wonder though, I do wonder about stuff like this. If you're smart and you want to be on TV, the best way to get on TV for something like this, because they audition thousands of people, right? Not everybody's gonna get a spot on TV. Best way to get on TV is to stand out. So I wonder if this guy was thinking to himself, you know how I'm gonna stand out? I'm gonna come in with an attitude. I'm gonna be in basically, because he was, and then I'm gonna make myself like I'm going to get on TV even if I get rejected. I wonder. I'm just throwing it out there because like it doesn't make sense to me why you came all this way, you waited all this time, and now you're just like being rude to everybody. Like, don't you want to be here, you know? Anyways, guys, those were some Karens that got some instant justice. There were definitely Karens involved here, but it also just felt like people who were not using their freaking brains. You know, we need to be using our brains, especially when we're on the road and doing other things, guys. So make sure after watching this video, just double check your brain. Okay, it's still there. We're still operating. Good stuff. And now go have a wicked day and hopefully don't do anything dumb like these guys. Comment down below what you thought about these clips. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I've been your host, Nicholas Playlog, and I will catch you next time. Dude, if I was I feel like I would like, and like, don't nobody cut this clip or anything, but I feel like